Hello, I'm Adam at CEUK. Just going to talk to you a bit about the two demo cars that we brought with us today. So, they're both running Revo RT330. This is our road going version, and then we've got our track spec version as well. Just a little bit about the cars. They're both running the Revo RT330 with all supporting hardware. AirTech Stage 3 intercooler on both, Stage 3 intake, everything else is supporting decats on both, Miltec exhaust. As you can see, this one's a little bit more leery, and that was more of a road goer. We've fully stripped this one out. It's got the wide arch kit, roll cage inside, the big wing, whereas this is more of a family friendly with the seats. Yeah, it's just, we're looking at pushing the boundaries really, taking Revo a bit further within our business and showing people what we can really do with the cars. And you know, we can do installations at our unit. I just want to show you inside. Excuse the mess, but as you can see, this one's more of a track setup. Got the carbon bucket seats, the cage. All the interior's been stripped out on the rear, and we're looking at going a little bit further, but I won't go too much into detail about that until we've launched it on our own page. Whereas this car is more of our road goer, but we take our customers out and to show them how their car will perform. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about the big brake kit that we've installed on the car. It's the Revo kit by Alcon. The reason why we've installed this kit on this car is with it being a track car, it's going to predominantly spend its life on track. They help dissipate the heat a lot more, give you a lot more life, a lot more time on the track. Just as a key example, we've just had both cars on track now, and the road going car with the standard brakes is having to have a bit of a breather, a bit of a cool down, as they were cooked. That's not likely to happen with this kit.